A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss one sample of article writing, and the sample today that we are going to discuss is related to cruelty to animals. Cruelty to animals is growing day by day due to human greed. This is not good for the ecosystem. Animals too are a part of our life. So you have been asked to write an article on live and let live in order to create awareness. So we are going to write an article on the topic live and let live. So here we start with it. God created their world not for the benefit of mankind alone. No doubt, man today is the master of the earth. He has tamed even tigers and elephants and king cobras. But his brain superiority does not give him the right to hunt down all kinds and species of animals. So in this article, we are basically supposed to write about the cruelty to animals which we human beings are showing today. So we have to write an article expressing our views that we should be kind to animals, that if human beings have a right to live on this earth, so do animals have. So animals normally live in forests. They don't attack us unless we provoke them or encroach in their territory. They are, as rule, afraid of us. They serve some useful purposes too. So killing them for pleasure or for their skin and bones is a sin and a crime. We need to learn to live together. So this is the main point which we need to highlight in our article, that is, we need to learn to live together. We should live peacefully and let others also live peacefully on this earth, because it does not belongs only to the human beings. Animal too are the creations of God, and they should also have the equal right to live. So we need to learn to live together, not only with our fellow beings but also with all the creatures created by God. In other words, we should live ourselves as well as let others also live in peace. War, hunting and violence are against the will of God and the law of the land. So we are going to conclude the article by saying that even these things are not liked by God also. These are against the will of God also. God has sent us on this earth to live peacefully in harmony with all the creatures that He has made. So in the end, we will conclude our article by writing coexistence should be our motto. So once again, we have concluded this article on a positive note. So always remember to conclude an article with a positive note rather than just ending on with a negative expression. So in the end, I am again repeating last two lines. That is, war, hunting and violence are against the will of God and the law of the land. Coexistence should be our motto. So this was the article related to cruelty of animals, and the name or the title of the article was Live and Let Live. So I hope you all must have understood. Go through it once, read it carefully, note down in your notebooks, and keep classes and keep attending your classes regularly. So till then, stay safe and have a nice day ahead.